Alright, language explorers. So, let's have a look at today's word of the day. So, leisure. 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 Relaxed. Enjoying your time and doing fun things. So, fun. Leisure. There we are. Leisure. There we are. Very good. Yeah, doing fun things, yeah. Very good. I have some spare leisure time. They often have a lot of leisure. Leisurable weekends. Leisurable weekends. Oops. Leisurable weekends. She wants more leisure time. He does not have much leisure. Because he is always working. Yeah. How cool is that? It will mean that more people can have leisure, can have free leisure. Yeah, the more productive people are, the more free time they have. How cool is that? Yeah, how cool is that? We have a lot of leisure. Yeah, we live a life of leisure where we don't have to do much hard work. No. How cool is that? Yeah. I only want leisure, but to get a life of leisure, you'd have to work a lot beforehand so you can relax a lot more. Yeah. If you want more leisure, you have to do things that people aren't willing to do, so you can then live a life people can't have. You have to do what people won't do, so in the future you can do what people can't do. Yeah, exactly. And then you have more leisure time. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So that was a very leisurely life. We did not have to work hard because everything was at our leisure. Yeah. How cool is that? Are you having a leisurely day? Yeah, well, recently I have not had much leisure because I've been recording and working a lot. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, how cool is that? How can we have more leisure time in the future? By working hard and doing the work once and getting paid forever can result in a more leisurely life. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. By doing a lot of work, building things, creating stuff, doing the work once, getting paid forever, can result in more leisure. Yeah. More free time to do leisure activities like biking. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring. But can you use leisure in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian, yeah, on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as on Udemy by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? let's keep exploring.